In this video, I'll be walking you through on how I approach the market. So I approach the market using a framework I call MSI, Market Structure Intelligence. So market structure intelligence, it follows market structure, right? So as you can see right here, on the 4-hour, the Nasdaq created a low and it created a high. So between this high and low, the market can either create another higher high or it can create a lower low. So in this case, the market created a lower low, but then this lower low doesn't confirm that we are in a downtrend. For me personally, I wait for a lower high to be created for me to be confident enough that okay, this market wants to go down. So as you can see right now, the market created a low, it created a high, and then you can see the market is holding wise because of, you can see with the rejection wicks, to then it pushed it to the downside and it created a lower high. This whole thing is a lower high for me personally. This low, this whole thing is a lower high for me. So we can see that the market right now is, of course, the markets are closed. So we can just like wait for it to open. As you can see on Bitcoin right here, right? So on the 4-hour, if you were to zoom out, I personally don't like zooming out, is because of there's a lot of information to take in. I tend to focus on what's happening currently. But then based on what you've been taught in the past, they say zoom out. I do not zoom out as much. So as you can see right here, we can see that the market is clearly in a bullish uptrend, a very strong bullish uptrend. But then if we were to look closely, right? If we were to look closely right here, the market is in a downtrend. How do you see that? You go down on a lower time frame, which is the 1-hour. I've marked out the structure right here. The market created this high, it created this low. After creating this low, it created another lower high, confirming that okay, we're in a downtrend. We're expecting the market to be in a downtrend, by the way. This is not price prediction. I'm not predicting price. I'm just like moving with it. This is price precision. We move with price. So then the market, after the market created a lower high, what did it create? A lower low. So this whole structure right here, for me personally, is a lower low. So then this lower low, it created a what? It created a lower high. This lower high created a what? A lower low. And then this lower low created a what? It created a lower high. It created a lower high. After this lower high, what are we expecting? What are we expecting? We're expecting a lower low. So right now I'm currently in this trade. I'll update you on what is happening.